Hi, this is Tim with Friendship RV. This is a 2023 Apex Ultralight 293 RLDS. Pass-through storage comes with a basket, power awning with LED light strip. This has an awesome camp kitchen, Coleman grill, mini fridge, TV, solid entry steps, extra large grab handle for your entry door. This is a couples model that is set up just right. Recliners, and they face right across from the TV, fireplace, stereo system. Fold out couch, Furrion refrigerator, island center kitchen, 3-burner cooktop range oven. Lots of storage here. Our shower area. In our front bedroom. Nice big picture window. It's got a drop down shade. Fully walk around bed and more storage. This is Tim from Friendship RV. Thank you.